So magandang araw Kabola. Sa video na ito, parang focus tayo sa Converge Kabola dito kasi connected sa kanila yung dalawang main topic natin about the two pre-agent related po na superstar Kabola. So may hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Sabi ni Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman Idol, Mariani Mascareñas, thank you so much. Yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo, hintayin na natin, kung yung mga sinasabi ko ay hindi, sabi niya. Okay, Sir Malyari, of course, lahat naman may opportunity na ma-prove kung magkakatotoo po yung kanila pong sinasabi po or hindi. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi naman ni Sir Ronald Berbicidad, then Kim Oliver, ito na lang Idol, lapot at first round para kay Ambohot, Mag-Gadenberg, B. Santos. Pwede na ba? Sabi na Kabola. I'm not sure kung anong fan ka, Mr. Oliver Pilares, Kabola. Pero for this one, I think it's a clear win for Converge, no? Ambot, Magdanenberg, Brian Santos. Ay, hindi pala, no? Medyo malapit pala. Hindi siya clear win. Pero by a tiny hair siguro, Kabola, kung pong titingin dito, medyo panalo pa rin sa akin yung Converge. Siguro dahil I'm just very high about James Laput, Kabola. For me, it's a clear top 10 center, and of course, getting a top 10 center in a deal, giving up good pieces like Brian Santos and Ambohot is still a big win for any team. Meron bang first round pick, Kabola. So for me, this is a victory for Converge. Mark Salgado, let's see kung saan mapupunta si Malonzo. Ganyan din ng ginawa ng player. Big man ng Phoenix sa NBA dahil trading block na, hindi na pinaglaro kahit walang injury. So usual naman po yung nangyayari, Kabola. Then Converge goes sabi ni Lloyd Gutierrez. Sa mga fans po dyan ng Inebra na hinahanap po si Isaac Go at saka si Jeremiah Gray. Unfortunately mga Kabola, mukhang matagal pa po sila makakabalik. Yan po yung sabi po nitong si Coach Tim Cone. Yung si kay Jeremiah Gray yung mas mas worrying kasi medyo matagal na di ba? Nung na-injured po siya, and of course we know injury prone na siya, pumasok pa lang siya sa PBA. So worrying talaga siya with this high number of injuries. Mukhang yun, maybe he's Chris Ellis 2.0, and that is very very unfortunate, Kabola. Now focus na tayo sa Converge, no? The first one was their statement, Kabola, na hindi nga po nila sasalihan yung Stan Hardinger sweepstake, Kabola. So in-explain po nila, Kabola, that their lineup is already fine. By the way, this is rumor, no? Hindi talaga siya news type po na nilabas. And understandable naman kasi if you look po at the lineup, Kabola, they have two magnificent center already in Baltasar and Arana. Adding Stan Hardinger, for me lang naman, is very interesting, diba? Sinasabi natin. Pero realistically, maintindihan din naman natin na pagdagdag mo pa Stan Hardinger, Kabola, para mahirap na pagsabayan yung Baltasar, Arana at saka Stan Hardinger. Remember kasi din na minsan nagsama sa isang team ang isang Pajardo at saka Stan Hardinger. And even if they are the top two centers at that time, it was still a hell to keep them playing together in that court. Ganun na po talaga kasi ang modern basketball. And in a way, di ba? Kaya talaga naman ang basketball it's ever evolving, Kabola. So with that reality, mahirap nga din naman po talaga na ipilit pa itong si Stan Hardinger sa lineup po ng Converge. Now, another interesting one is that Converge signing itong si Mikey Williams or trading for Mikey Williams, Kabola. Kasi nga po si Mikey Williams, Kabola, is playing or will play for Strong Group. And we all know kung kanino po Strong Group ay connected, and that is Converge. And because of this connection, Kabola, fans of Converge are suddenly lighted up asking, is Mikey Williams trade to Converge very near, Kabola? One thing is, the willingness of Mikey Williams to show up for a Strong Group, the willingness to play basketball again, that is the first step for his return. And pinakita niya. The second step, explained po in one article, is yung maayos na nagkaroon po ng contract negotiation. Naging maayos, naging smooth between Strong Group, which we can now say na pwede rin mangyari kapag Converge po yan. So for me, if TNT make the right moves, if TNT make the right realization about this situation, yes, Converge getting Mikey Williams could happen soon. Kababals, mangyayari ba ito? Kami na po sa baba.